Hey guys, it's me, Soso. Today I'll be showing you a speed draw of a sunflower and a girl I made based off the sunflower. It's not actually a girl specifically from sunflowers, it's just a girl holding a sunflower. Let's go see how I made this. I wanted to make the sunflower lineless because yesterday I made a tutorial on how to make lineless art. It's not that good though, and I'm sorry I just wasted 10 minutes of your time when you watched that video. I am genuinely sorry. I think the sunflower turned out pretty good though. When I drew the girl, I did it on a computer, which is why I didn't get to screen record. My computer is running out of memory and it's super sad. So you just see the outside and my messy desk. I apologize for not cleaning it up. Anyway, here we go. So, fun fact before I reveal the finished pieces. My computer, you know the the mouse part where you just click on it? Mine is broken. So, the drawing tablet I have, I cannot remove it, otherwise my computer is completely useless. So, yeah. I should get a mouse, but I'm too lazy to. Anyway, the moment you've all been waiting for. We have our lineless sunflower sticker sort of thing. And we have the girl. Now that I look at it, my sunflower does not actually look like a sunflower. That's all, guys. I'm trying to make this video nice and short because my other video was 10 minutes long and I don't have that sort of attention span. Anyway, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Also, you can find all my finished pieces and more on my Instagram. Go check me out at Soso Digital Art. The girl will be available as a sticker on Redbubble. Go check me out on Soso Artsy 13. All the links will be in the description below. Thanks for watching. Bye!